Hey friends, do you ever have those mornings when everything just feels perfect? Today, I want to share a story about a simple cafe visit that turned into a beautiful and unexpected moment of joy. I wake up early and decide to have a nice morning. Today feels like the perfect day to visit my favorite cafe. The thought of a warm coffee and a tasty croissant makes me excited. I love starting my day with something special. I stretch a little, enjoying the quiet of my home before getting dressed. A cozy morning like this makes me feel relaxed and happy. After getting dressed, I grab my bag and step outside. The air is cool and the sun is just rising. The sky has beautiful colors of pink and orange, making everything look magical. The streets are quiet, with only a few people walking their dogs or going to work. I walk slowly, enjoying the peaceful morning. Birds are singing, and I can smell fresh flowers nearby. A soft breeze makes the leaves on the trees rustle gently. I take a deep breath, filling my lungs with the crisp morning air. As I reach the cafe, I take another deep breath. The smell of fresh coffee and warm pastries fills the air, instantly making me feel at home. I smile and push the door open. A small bell rings as I step inside. The cafe feels cozy with soft lights, wooden tables, and gentle music playing in the background. The walls have pictures and bookshelves, making it feel warm and inviting. I notice a few familiar faces, people who seem to have the same idea as me, enjoying a slow morning before the day becomes busy. I walk up to the counter. The barista smiles at me. "Good morning. What would you like today?" she asks. "A cappuccino and a chocolate croissant, please," I say. She nods and starts making my coffee. I watch as she carefully pours the milk and creates a pretty design on top. In a few minutes, she hands me my order with a smile. "Enjoy," she says cheerfully. I find a seat by the window. It's my favorite spot because I can see people walking outside. Some are hurrying to work while others walk slowly, enjoying their morning. A man jogs past with his dog, and a woman carrying grocery bags stops to check her phone. The city is waking up, and I enjoy watching it happen. I take a sip of my cappuccino, and it warms me up right away. The croissant is sweet and soft, and it melts in my mouth. I close my eyes for a second, enjoying the delicious taste. Small moments like this make me happy. As I take another bite, I hear the door open. I look up and see an old friend walk in. "Hey, what a surprise," she says when she sees me. "Come sit with me," I say, waving to her. She orders her drink and joins me at the table. We start talking about our lives, work, and family. It's been a long time since we last met, and we have so much to say. We laugh and remember funny memories from the past. It feels like no time has passed at all. We talk about our favorite books and movies, and she tells me about new hobby she's picked up, painting. She even shows me some pictures on her phone. The colors are beautiful, and I tell her she has a real talent. The cafe starts getting busier. More people come in, ordering their morning coffee. The sound of coffee machines, quiet conversations, and clinking cups fills the air. A group of students sits nearby, talking about their homework. A man in a suit types quickly on his laptop. The cafe is full of energy, and I love the atmosphere. I notice an elderly couple sitting by the counter, sharing a plate of pancakes. They look happy, chatting and enjoying their meal. The little moments in life are what make it so special. After finishing our drinks, my friend and I step outside. The day is now in full swing. More people are walking on the streets. A musician plays the guitar on the corner, and a mother helps her child tie his shoelaces. The city feels alive. We decide to take a short walk together before parting ways. The air is still fresh, and we take our time, talking and laughing. Finally, we say goodbye, promising to meet again soon. As I walk home, I feel happy and refreshed. What started as a simple trip to a cafe turned into a wonderful morning with laughter and good company. I decide to take a different way home and walk through a small park. I sit on a bench for a few minutes, watching the trees move in the wind and listening to the birds sing. I feel peaceful and relaxed. A little squirrel runs past me, stopping for a moment to nibble on something before darting away. The scene makes me smile. Back home, I take off my jacket and sit by the window. I still have a little bit of coffee left in my to-go cup. Holding the warm cup in my hands, I smile, thinking about my lovely morning. I pick up a book and read for a while, letting myself relax before starting the rest of my day. Sometimes the best moments in life are the simple ones, and today, this little cafe visit was exactly what I needed. Have you ever had a morning like this? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more English stories to help you on your language learning journey. See you next time and happy learning.